Well, I lost my worm, so let me let it go. Bro, try it here. Because it's getting deeper. Oh, got one. Oh. I got him. I got him. That's a pig, dude. That's crazy, right? Okay. Dude, that's dude, that's a I'm chest deep right now. Shoot toward the stump. Ooh, I got one. It feels like a little one. This feels like a little one. Let's find out. It's a good size. Shit. Not bad. Well, I'll tell you this. I mean, it's a little one, but it's super healthy looking, and man, look at that. I'm gonna let it go already. Ooh, got him. Nice, another good sized bass. Man, I feel like I'm at Falcon Lake. With these good sized bass, well hidden. And they're like, this one was about 7 feet in front of me. Look at that. Nice. And the release. Another good size. I'm like 5'11", and then the water's in my belly button right now. Like, so I won't move a lot of water. Right now we're about 2.5 feet deep, and I'm already getting closer towards the end of this trip. It has been real nice being out here. And I'm hoping to catch one more before I go. You know, it's one of those things like you say, yeah, this is my last cast of the day, and it turns out to be like 10 more casts. Ooh, going. Oh shoot, what's up with that? Ooh, that's another big one. Yeah, it's another good size. Okay, chill out, bro. Out. Damn. He's like it's about a 2-3 pounder. Okay, so here it is. I don't know how much it weighs. Maybe it's a 4 pounder. Good sized bass. Beautiful. Alright, so here's the release. Nice and slow. Awesome. Enjoy my hands. Alright, we're gonna call it a day. It was a good day. And this video was made only because I wanted to show people that you don't really need a boat or a kayak to be fishing out here. I am using waders and I'm fishing a creek that looks untouched. Of course, you don't want to come out here alone. But yeah, it was fun. Giant fish. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, and maybe I'll put more videos like this.